how to save 1000 Telegram accounts on desktop? So first right-click on your Telegram desktop shortcut, then click on Properties, then click on Open File Location, then right-click on the Telegram application and click on Create Shortcut, then rename this shortcut to TG number 2. Then once done, save this shortcut to our desktop. As you can see, when we open it, you still can't add a new Telegram account. So what we'll do here is create a new folder on your C drive. Once you're in the C drive, right-click on your C drive and create a new folder. Name this folder TGgram and open it. Then create another folder and name it TG number 2. Then open the TG number 2 folder. Then click on the address bar of this folder and copy the path. Then go back to your desktop, right-click on your TG number 2 shortcut and click on Properties. Then in the target field at the end, thus many space, thus work there space, then quotation mark, then paste the path from the C drive, then quotation mark. Once you've done that, click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now, if you open your TG number 2 shortcut, you'll see that you can now add more Telegram accounts. Keep in mind that each Telegram app shortcut can only save up to 3 accounts. If you want more, you'll need to repeat the process like we did earlier. And that's it.